Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, teacher.
Evening, teacher. Good evening, teacher.
How are you feeling today?
Good, I'm fine.
Teacher, hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's lesson, okay? Before we begin, I would like to take attendance to make sure everyone is here. Please go to the attendance rooms and write down your name and today dates. Could you find the attendance room?
Teacher,
Yes.
I think I'm having a problem here. I couldn't find where is it.
Attendance room is under teaching session room. If everyone is done, let me know, okay?
Then, teacher.
And teacher.
Very good class. Anyway, Teacher Katijah will continue our class. Thank you for your assigning your attendance class.
Hello class, as you already know, today we will continue to learn about Chapter 7 Linear Inequalities. Okay, during our previous class, we have learned about topic 7.1 inequalities, right?
Yes, teacher.
So today, we will go to topic 7.2, which is linear inequality in one variable. Okay, before this, you have learned about linear equations, where we find one exact answer. But in real life, sometimes we don't need an exact value. For example, you must be older than 13 years old to join a club, or the speed must be less than 19 km per hour. These situations show a range of values, not just one number. That is why we use inequalities. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, at your announcement room, their teacher already pinned the objective learning. Alright class, before we begin, let me tell you what we are going to learn today. Okay, by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to form linear inequalities based on daily life situations and vice versa. And then, you should be able to solve problems involving linear inequalities in one variable. And the last one is, you should be able to solve simultaneous linear inequalities in one variable. Okay, now, before the lesson start, I already told you in our classroom to watch the videos that I post in the resources and digital room. So, let me ask you, have you all watched the video?
Ready, teacher. Ready.
Okay, very good. I'm glad most of you have already watched it. Since you have watched the video, that means you already have a basic idea about this topic. So now I'm going to explain it a bit more clearly, step by step, so that everyone really understands, not just memorize but understand. Okay, teacher will open flashcard. Okay. This flashcard highlights the keyword from the video you watch, and I taught it in class yesterday for subtopic 7.1 inequalities. Alright, in this interactive activity, teacher will use flashcards. Let's focus here. Take a look at this flashcard. What does linear inequality mean? Then, a linear inequality is a mathematical statement that compares two values using symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and the last one is greater than or equal to, and has more than one solution. Okay, other slide is, what does the symbol mean, class? I want one student to volunteer to answer this question.
Me, teacher, me.
Okay, Farhani.
Less than, teacher.
Correct. Clap your hands for Farhani. Okay, this symbol means the number or value before the symbol is smaller than the value after the symbol. For example, A less than Y. So, which one is smaller? A less than Y.
A, teacher.
Okay, correct. Okay. What does the symbol mean? I want another student, please.
Me.
Okay, go.
More than.
More than. Correct. Clap your hand for Amanda. Okay, this means the number of value before the symbol is bigger than the value after the symbol. Let's say X is greater than Y. So which one is bigger?
Y. X.
It's okay, Elena. The answer is actually X. But you guys, most of you guys give the right answer. So, the next one is, what does the symbol mean? The symbol means less than or equal to. Okay, the next slide is, what does the symbol mean? Meanwhile, this means greater than or equal to. Okay. The next one is, what is a variable? Okay, can you guys give me an example of a variable in math?
X.
Okay, right?
Unknown X.
Okay, that's correct. A variable is a letter that represents an unknown value, for example, X, Y, or Z. Okay, that's all from teacher. So I'll pass the class to teacher Umila to continue our class today.
Okay, since all of you seem to have basic knowledge about this topic, let's move on to how it works. I will proceed to explain subtopic 7.2, linear inequality in one variable, using the GeoGebra link that was attached in the resources and digital aids room. Let's go through this example together. Okay. Before that, can everyone see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Not yet, teacher. Mine's still loading.
Oh, it's okay. We will wait for you.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, first, let me read out the question for you. A group of friends is planning a beach day. They have no more than $208 to spend on parking and food. Parking costs $13 and food is estimated to be $15 per person. Write and solve an inequality for the number of people, X, who can go to the beach. So, I will explain it step by step to you, the working process. Step 1 is identify the restriction, the variable cost, and the fixed cost. So, as you have read, as it was stated in the text above, the restriction is that they have no more than $208. This means the total cost cannot exceed $208. Meanwhile, fixed cost is the parking fee, which is $13 because it stays the same no matter how many people go. And the variable cost is the food cost, which is $15 per person because it depends on the number of people. So the next step would be create an inequality. The inequality that we could create here is that 15x because 15 dollars per person. Meanwhile, x represent the person, the number of people. So 15x plus 3, which is the parking cost, $13. And the total of 15x plus 3 should be less than or equal to $208, which is the restriction because they have no more than $208 to spend. And then the next step is solve the inequality. First, we will combine the two numbers without variable in the right side. So $208 minus 13. And then we divided it with 15 to get the x, and the x should be less than or equal to 13, which means no more than 13 people can go to the beach. Do all of you understand the step-by-step solution or working process? If there is any confusion, just ask, okay? Do you guys understand?
Teacher,
Yes.
so once you bring the number on the other side, it will change
Yeah, it
the
will change the
variable, right?
symbol.
Oh,
For
okay.
example,
Okay,
the plus
understand,
13,
teacher.
right? So when you put it in the right side, it will be minus 13.
Okay, understand. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Do anyone have a question, or do you already understand?
Understand, teacher.
Understand, teacher.
Alright, very well. So in the resources and digital aids room, there are many more questions in the GeoGebra links that you can observe how it works, or try it out yourself and compare your answer with it. Okay, since all of you said that you already understand the explanation earlier, let's test it out by doing a gamification quiz. Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
So I want you. Oh, okay. So I want you to open the quiz room and click the Kahoot link that I shared there. A little reminder for those joining Kahoot for the first time, the question only shows on the screen, on the shared screen. Then students need to answer with your own device, okay? Don't worry, I will conduct this quiz one by one for you. First, you all would need to write your name. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's start.
Teacher, you don't share your screen, teacher.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Let me just do it now. Okay. So, which inequality represents a more than 20 ringgit? So, red one is x less than 20. Yellow is less than or equal to 20. The blue one is x more than 20. And the green one is x equal to 20. Okay, only one person got it right. Liliana. Okay, the next one. Which symbols means less than or equal to? For this, you will need to see the shared screen, to look at the shared screen, because if I read it out, you will know the answer. Okay, 2% got it right. Ilana is still at the top. Solve the inequality x plus 5 greater than 12. So the red one will be x greater than 5, the yellow one, x greater than 7, the blue one, x less than 7, and the green one is x equal to 7. Two% got it right. The answer is yellow. If you want me to slow down a bit when I'm reading the question and answer, tell me, alright? Iliana is the number 1. Solve the inequality 3x less than or equal to 15. So the red one will be x less than or equal to 5. The yellow one is x greater than or equal to 5. The blue one is x less than 5. And the green one is x equal to 5. Only one person got it right, which is the answer is red. Okay. The next one, solve the inequality 10 minus x less than 4. The red one is x less than 6. Yellow is x greater than 6. The blue one is x less than or equal to 6. And the green is x greater than or equal to 6. Okay, only one person got it right, which is the answer is yellow. Honey. Solve the inequality negative 2x greater than 8. The red is x greater than minus 4. The yellow one is x less than minus 4. Blue is x greater than 4. And green is x less than 4. The answer is x less than negative 4. Iliana got it right. The next, question 7. Which number satisfies the inequality x greater than or equal to 3? Red is 2, yellow is 1, blue is 3, and the green is minus 1. Two-person got it right. The answer is blue, 3. Honey is still at the top. And the next question, number 8. Solve the simultaneous inequalities x greater than 2 and x less than 6. The red one is x greater than 6. The yellow is x less than 2. The blue one is 2 less than x less than 6. And the green one is x equals to 4. Oh, all of you got it right. The answer is blue. And then question number 9. Which value of x satisfies 1 less or equal to x less than 4? The red one is 0. The yellow one is 1. The blue is 4. And the green is 3. Two-person got it right. The answer is green, which is 3. Okay. And then question 10. Which statement is correct for the inequality x less than or equal to 5. So for the red one, that is x must be more than 5. The yellow one is x must be exactly 5. The blue one is x can be 5 or less than 5. And the green one, x must be greater than 5. Okay, all of you got it right. The answer is 2. And then for question 11 and 12, it will be true or false question. So the question is, if x more than 3, then 2x more than 6. The blue one is true and the red one is false. Okay, only one person got it right. It should be correct, okay? Because x more than 3 and 2x should be more than 6. Honey got it right. And then the last question, if x less than negative 2, then negative x more than 2. The blue one is true and the red one is false. Okay, 2% got it right. The answer is true. So the third place goes to Amanda. The second place is Iliana. And the winner should be Honey. Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations everyone. You did great on the Kahoot. Next, Teacher Arnie will evaluate you guys in detail.
Okay. Now we will move on to the activity section. So please click on the Google form link that has been shared in the assessment room. Could you find the assessment room class?
Teacher, I couldn't see it, teacher.
Room assessment is under the teaching session room. Can you find it? And then find the chapter 7. Click a link given. Could you find it, Amanda?
Get it.
Okay. Then teacher want all of you read each question carefully and answer it to the best of your ability. This activity is important to check your understanding of today's lesson. Teacher will give you 30 minutes for you to complete this assessment. After you all have complete all the question, please take a screenshot of your score. Then you all can submit the screenshot to the discussion room as a proof of complete. You can start now. If you have any confused or have a problem, you can ask. Okay?
Teacher, I have done mine. I got one wrong on section B. Other than that, I got all answer right.
Okay, well done everyone. Look like everyone got high mark. Teacher really proud with all of you. Okay, next. teacher will pass our lesson to teacher Atira.
So students, we are almost at the end of our session. Before you go, I want you to stop by the feedback lab. Can you find the feedback lab?
Wait, teacher, I'm still looking for it.
It's the last room in this server.
Yes, teacher, I found it.
Okay. So we really value your honesty here. This isn't a test. We just want you to know. We just want to know if today's lesson worked for you. So was the GeoGebra part clear, or did the quiz feel too rushed? If you have any suggestion on how we can make our next lesson on linear inequalities more exciting or easier to understand, please type it in. Your feedback helps us teach you better. So do you guys have any comments about our activity just now?
Me, teacher. Teacher, I have a feedback.
Can you please tell us?
To me, the Kahoot part is fun, but I find it quite hard to juggle between two platforms, as the question didn't appear on the screen, and then I I am stuck on Discord, so I find it quite hard for me. But teacher Mila will help me because she read the question. So thank you, teacher Mila.
Thank you.
Well, yeah, you guys could write down your feedback at the feedback lab, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Before I dismiss the class, remember, learning doesn't stop just because our meeting ends. If you're doing your revision later and suddenly you feel confused about simultaneous inequalities, don't panic. Just head over to our classroom space and post your question. Me and other teachers will be there to help, and your classmates can jump in too. Let's keep the conversation going there so we can all succeed together. You've worked hard today. One bijak, class dismissed. Thank you, class.
Yay! Thank you, teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah.